Okay, so here I am living the hip camp experience. So I'm going to teach myself, tell people how to get in, tell people where the location is, what the production getting in. So the first thing I'm going to try to do is get this stove going. I might dig out my headlamp so that I can see what I'm doing. It's interesting. It's very loud. Good morning. I feel like you could probably hear that. That was going all night long. Very windy. I don't think I got any sleep. But it's time to get up and go. Very loud. Earplugs didn't work. I don't think it's a good idea to have tents in a really windy climate. I have to go find coffee. Off we go.